The Parrot Who Called 911. In Florida, emergency services received a strange call.
Heavy breathing.
911, what's your emergency? Okay, what is the emergency? Then yelling,
Help! Help!
police traced the call to a house. The trace is complete. We have the address. Good, let's move. Police inside, they found an elderly woman who had fallen and couldn't get up. Ma'am, are you all right?
Help me, please.
Call the police!
Ma'am, is everything all right? I repeated the words she screamed earlier that day and saved her life.